as controversy around Kamal Haasan's film Thug Life is concerned. Remember, this Mani Ratnam directed film released on June 5 across India except in Karnataka. And now the latest is that the Karnataka government has filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court stating that it has not imposed any restriction on the release of Kamal Haasan's film in the state of Karnataka. In fact, it has also in a way assured the top court that it will provide full protection and security if the producers of Kamal Haasan's film decide to release this particular film in the state of Karnataka. Let's go across to my colleague Deepankar joining us on the broadcast more on this. Deepankar, so in a way Karnataka government via this affidavit making it clear that it hasn't really imposed, the government really hasn't imposed any kind of restriction on the release of Kamal Haasan's film. It's perhaps the producers, I believe, who are not very keen on releasing the film in the state of Karnataka, looking at the law and order situation after the whole controversy erupted. Deepankar?
Well, yes, the state of Karnataka has filed a counter affidavit before the Supreme Court where it has been very clearly stated that the state of Karnataka is willing to provide security and conduct an unimpeded screening of the movie Thug Life and is duty bound and will provide security to all the citizens who would go for the screening of the movie and also to the stakeholders who are involved in this entire controversy. And it has also been very clearly stated that they have not imposed any kind of ban. However, it was very clearly mentioned in the counter affidavit that was filed before the Supreme Court that there is an issue that is being raised by the Karnataka Film Corporation, and they have very clearly showed their displeasure to Kamal Haasan by writing a letter and has sought an apology from Kamal Haasan. And they have also clearly highlighted in the counter affidavit that was filed before the Supreme Court that in the matter that was filed before the Karnataka High Court, the producer of the film had given an undertaking before the Karnataka High Court that they are not going to release the film in the state of Karnataka until and unless the issue that is going on with the Karnataka Film Board, the Kannada Film Board, apex body, is resolved. So we'll have to wait and watch after the filing of this counter affidavit what the Supreme Court says, as the matter is yet to be taken up before the Supreme Court. We'll have to wait and watch.
Deepankar, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on the story.